Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam. Friend, today we will discuss all the important question of current affairs from 3 October 2020 and 3 October 2020 in this video. If you want to give a comment in the box, then let's go on today's current affairs. First question is, according to the recent NCRB Crime in India report, which state reported the highest number of crimes in both categories? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Crimes against women increased 7.3%. 7.3% from 2018 to 2019, and crimes against scheduled castes also went up 7.3% in the same period, according to the annual National Crime Record Bureau's Crime in India 2019. Next question is second. Recently, who will dedicate Atal Tunnel, the world's longest high tunnel in Rohtang, to the nation? Correct answer is A. Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate to the nation the world's longest high altitude tunnel, the Atal Tunnel at Rohtang. Next question is, recently Devyani Uttam Khobragade has been appointed as the next ambassador from which country? Answer is Cambodia. C. Answer is C. Cambodia. Devyani Uttam Khobragade has been appointed as the next ambassador of India Cambodia, the Ministry of External Affairs MEA said. Next question is 4. Recently, who has been appointed as a non-executive and independent director of Hero MotoCorp? Answer is V.S. Dhanua. Correct answer is V.S. Dhanua. The country's largest two-wheeler maker Hero MotoCorp has appointed Air Chief Marshal V.S. Dhanua as a non-executive and independent director on the company board with immediate effect. Next question is 5. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has launched various projects of the Sports, Youth and Cultural Affairs Department of the state? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani launched various projects of the state Sports, Youth and Cultural Affairs Department through a video conference from Gandhinagar. Next question is 6. Recently, which bank has become the first lender bank to enable document embedding on a protected financial messaging system? Correct answer is IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank has become the first lender to enable document embedding feature on a structured financial messaging system managed by Indian Financial Technology and Allied Service. Next question is 7. Recently, the nation paid tribute to the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi on which birthday anniversary on 2 October 2020? Answer is A. 151. The nation paid homage to the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 151st birth anniversary on 2 October 2020. Next question is 8. Recently, which day is marked by the United Nations every year as International Non-Violence Day? Correct answer is 2 October. October 2 is marked as the International Day of Non-Violence every year by the United Nations. It is on the birthday birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? Next question is 9. Recently, who inaugurated the Vaibhav Summit, a global Indian scientist through video conferencing? Correct answer is Narendra Modi. PM मोदी inaugurated वैश्विक भारतीय वैज्ञानिक वैभव समिट on 2 October 2020 through video conferencing. Next question is 10. What is the name of India's largest handicraft and organic product market recently launched via the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Correct answer is Tribes India e-marketplace. Ministry of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda launched India's largest handicraft and organic product marketplace, Tribes India e-marketplace, on 2 October 2020. Next question is 11. Recently, how many campaign has been started on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti under the Jal Jeevan Mission? Correct answer is 100. 100 is campaign has been launched on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Next question is 12. Recently, in which state intensive community survey campaign is being conducted to control the spread of corona infection? Correct answer is Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, an intensive community survey campaign is being conducted from 2 October 2020 onwards to control the spread of corona infection. Next question is 13. Recently, which state has been the first state in the country to conduct more than 1 crore test for screening of coronavirus? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has achieved a landmark in the testing of COVID samples. We become the first state in the country of undertake over 1 crore test to screen coronavirus. Next question is 14. Recently, on 10 October 2020, who will be honored for reporting Kiran on the rise of authoritarian Hindu nationalism? Correct answer is Rana Ayub. Correct answer is Rana Zob. Rana Ayub, the award-winning investigating journalist, will be honored on 10 October 2020 for her tenacious reporting on the rise of authoritarian Hindu nationalism. Next question is 15. Recently which bank appointed Charanjit Surendra Singh Atra as Chief Financial Officer? Correct answer is SBI. SBI has appointed Charanjit Surendra Singh Atra as its Chief Financial Officer and outcome of its recently internal hiring exercise. Today's current affairs is complete. Thank you very much.